Welcome to this course. I'm Dr. Stuart Patico, the Senior Pastor of Joy Community Church and the author of several Christian books. Now, this course is all about the major doctrines of the Bible, and this area of learning is also known as systematic theology, which is a discipline in which theological topics are addressed one by one. Now, this area is important because it enables the believer to get a clear grasp of central biblical truths. Now, this course is for all Christians, whether new or mature. It's for all Christians who want to get a better understanding of the Bible. And it will benefit you because it will give you a deepened appreciation of the Christian faith, which will help you to live out your calling effectively. And at the end of this course, students will be able to better explain their faith to others and have a clearer understanding of what the Bible teaches. So in this course, here's what you will learn. You will learn about God, about Jesus Christ, about the Holy Spirit, about humanity, salvation, the church, church leadership, the baptism in the Holy Spirit, Christian morals, healing, angels, the enemy, prayer and worship, what happens at death, and all about the second coming of Jesus Christ. Now, to get the most from this course, I recommend that after each lecture, you read the associated chapter of my book, Firm Foundations, Knowing What You Believe. Doing so will help to reinforce what we cover in each lecture. Now, this book is available as both an ebook and a paperback from Amazon and other online retailers. So please do get your copy, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.